Creating a compost pile is one of the best things you can do for your garden. Here's a preview of the final cartoon. Let's see how we got there. Turn your garden waste into garden gold. Start making compost. Compost is just organic waste, plant material like lawn clippings, plant stems and woody branches that turn into pure energy for your garden once it rots down. All those nutrients are free and absolutely essential to feed your soil and hugely improve the soil condition. Better for plants and better for gardeners. Compost is made by the breaking down of plant material. And what breaks that down? A vast army of gardeners' best friends, detritivores, little insects munching away on dead and rotting matter. Fungus and bacteria turning plant material into digestible forms for all those detritivores. Without them, our gardens will be overloaded with dead plants. Your compost pile is an early stage of your garden food chain. Bacteria and fungi start the breakdown of dead plant material. This is eaten by protozoa, which is eaten by nematodes and roundworms. Then come the springtails and mites, followed by woodlice, millipedes, right through to beetles and earthworms. The result is compost. If you make a compost bin, follow Flo's tip and have the front panels removable. It will help hugely when taking the compost out and when you turn the decomposing pile over with a garden fork. All that activity going on breaking down the plant matter requires a lot of oxygen, which you can help inject by turning over the compost with a fork. You'll find the compost pile produces quite a lot of heat. That's the byproduct of breaking down all that nutritious compost. Easy peasy, that's right Jackson. Making a compost bin is something most people can achieve. When you make your own compost bin, or buy one from a garden centre, ensure the base is open to the soil, so all those microorganisms that live in the soil can get easy access. This helps you regulate the moisture content, so it's neither too dry nor too wet. Now, if having one compost bin is great, having 3 is perfect. Why? Because you can use one to put your fresh waste in, the second can be in mid-process of breaking down into compost, while the third bin is about a year old or more and is full of rich, nutritious compost ready to be spread over your garden beds. Wondering what to put in your compost? Well, Green Ink will soon have the details for you. But just for now, up to half of what you put in should be green. That's lawn clippings, annual weeds before they have seeds, and the rest should be brown. So chopped up shrub and tree prunings, as well as cardboard and paper. This will help a good balance of nitrogen and carbon. There will be no dank smelling compost, just nutrient-rich garden goodness. Finally, don't forget to turn your compost about once every month or 2. It will speed up the process enormously and lead to fabulous crumbly soil improving compost. But do it with a fork, not like Jackson. Please like and subscribe for more pocket-sized wildlife gardening tips. Thanks for watching.